Now, let me help you make over 30 million naira within a short period of time in the real estate world. Currently in the heart of Chevron, a 2-bedroom goes for nothing less than 120 million naira, and a 3-bedroom goes for not less than 130 million naira. But right now, one way all my clients usually make money is by keying into off-plan projects and then reselling at its finished stage. And if there's one thing I usually help them to do is I will help them key into this off-plan project, and at the same time I would also help them to sell this same property. Now, I'm standing right here in this off-plan project, which the developer is a very good friend of mine, and trust me, I can say that they've spent a whole lot of money on just the foundation alone. This foundation you can see here, give or take, is about 1 year, because we have to make sure the foundation is being solidified to carry what we are about to build here. Now, we've done our piling, we've done all that needs to be done. Now we are taking the building up right now. Now, those of my clients who bought last year, their investment here has increased. But then if you key into it right now, I can still help you to make minimum of 30 million naira interest on this property. And then there is a flexible payment plan outright for 6 months and up to 12 months with little interest. In fact, the initial deposit is still very minimum right here in the heart of Chevron, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Now I welcome you to Genesis Apartments. You can come in a little bit further with me. This right here is Genesis Apartments, and we have two kind of structures: the penthouse and a 2-bedroom. Now we have a 2-bedroom apartment, it's going for 80 million, and a 3-bedroom apartment is going for 19 million naira. And as I said earlier in the beginning of this video, 2-bed currently in Chevron, not even as beautiful as this is going to look like, sells for 120 million naira. And then you're buying it as 80 million naira, you are paying outright for 6 months, and then with little interest for as good as 12 months. Likewise for a 3-bed that's going for 90 million naira. This particular apartment is good for 2 things, 3 things: to resell, make a lot of money, that is, you want to make at least that 30 million naira as I've said, to resell, for rental purpose, and then for short let. This ticks all those 3 boxes. And then finally, if you want to use for family residence, maybe you want to live in an apartment, are you a young guy, are you a young lady, you want to buy a property in your name, are you a father, a mother, wants to buy a property in the name of your child, then this is the best one you can key into right now. And then the title of this property is Governor's Content. It has CEO already, but then it's Governor's Content. So this is superb. Some of the luxurious features that we are giving in this property is suspended rooftop swimming pool, very large one, 2 elevators in this place, a large car park space as well, a mini lounge, 24/7 security right here, amidst others. Perimeter fencing, we're doing that. Interlocking, we're doing that. Security, we're doing that. You know, we are trying to make sure that your living here is way more comfortable. Don't forget, we also have a mini lounge right here for your enjoyment, for your recreational time. So if you want to get started in this property, as you can see, it's in a place where people are already living in. If you want to get into this property, all you need to do is just one thing: click on the WhatsApp link right there in the description section, and it will bring you straight down into my DM, and let me help you key into, as you can see, it's in an already residential area where people are already living right here in Chevron. What are you waiting for? My name is Oluwaseun Victor, and I am the lead consultant of Update Homes and Properties. And anytime you see me right here on your screen, I'm here to give you the best and nothing else but the best. Thank you, and see you in my next video.